So the first thing I'm going to start off with is priming my face, well, like moisturizing my face with the Nivea cream, and this is like the most convenient for me. I mean, like when I apply it to my face, my makeup just sticks on my skin the whole day. So I'm just gonna put some over here, just like that, just like a little bit. And girl, trust me, if you do this step, your makeup will not, like, it's gonna look super smooth, and it's gonna stay on the whole day. And also it keeps your skin super soft. So yeah, that's what I do. Just gonna like. So the foundation that I'm gonna use, I'm just gonna use the Maybelline Fit Me, and it's the matte poreless. And this foundation is like really good and very inexpensive. I'm just gonna use my beauty blender as well. And what I usually do, I just like put it on my beauty blender right away. So yeah, I'm just gonna apply it on my cheeks, like literally all around my face. I don't really put that much foundation on because especially when you're at school and you're in a closed environment, my skin personally gets really oily. So I'm just gonna apply this on my skin. Also blend it on your neck so you could have the same color. So I'm just gonna, like, literally this process takes me, like, sometimes it takes me 2 seconds, sometimes not 2 seconds, but like 2 minutes. And sometimes I could literally blend for like 5 minutes. I don't know why. I'm going to use concealer. So I use the Maybelline Fit Me concealer as well. And like, I really like Maybelline. I think they're a very good brand, very inexpensive. I'm just going to blend my concealer as well. As you guys can see, I also apply it on my nose like this. So once I contour, it just looks slimmer. I prime my eyelids with the same concealer as well. Like, I don't really use a primer for my face. I don't really use a primer for my eyelids. So that's what I'm going to do. So I blended my concealer, and the next step, I'm gonna use my Maybelline powder, and I'm just going to apply it throughout my face so it doesn't get oily throughout the day. So literally everywhere, like even on my eyes, under my eyes. So usually under my eyes, I'm gonna come closer, yeah. So usually under my eyes, like throughout the day, they get oily, if that makes sense. Like, I don't know. So instead of baking, well, I'm just going to bake with my Maybelline powder, so the same one. And I'm just going to apply it under my eyes, like that. And also like on my lifelines, you're not going to have any lines, which I like. So while I let the powder under my eyes, I didn't put that much. I'm just going to bronze up my face. I'm not really going to like contour because I mean, for school I don't really have time to contour that well, but I like to have a bronzy look. The way I like to bronze it up is just like going from here to like up in like a circular way, if that makes sense.
Tied you, staring out the window, looking at the summer view. Fine by you, I'll be.
I want to get it down to my jawline as well and down my neck so I can have the same color and nothing can look uneven. So I'm also going to contour my nose So if you feel like you need more bronzer, then you can do that, but I feel like this is like perfect, so I'm not gonna add more. So the next step that I'm going to do is I'm going to apply eyeshadow. And for school, I don't really do a very dramatic look for my eyeshadow. I like to keep it simple, so I either use my bronzer that I just used for my face, or I use a very neutral shade like a nude or whatever. I'm gonna show you guys right now. I either use this shade over here or this shade, so I mix them up together and it gives a very, very beautiful look. I'm going to be using the raw sienna and the burnt orange, so these two shades, and I'm going to mix them together, and then I just apply it to my eyelid. I'm going to use a brush like this, and I'm gonna apply it under my eyes. I feel like it completes the eyeshadow look. So once I'm done with that, I'm just gonna dab on the powder that I put under my eyes. And literally throughout the whole day, guys, like I don't get any lines or anything. Like my skin is like super smooth, which I think is super important to have. I don't want to have cracky under eyes throughout the day, so I'm like obsessed with the Too Faced highlighter, and I'm just going to be using that on the eye corner, the inner corners of my eyes. So just like that. Next up is obviously mascara. If I feel like my eyelashes are not too like long, then I'm going to be adding another coat with another mascara. I'm just going to be adding some blush for the next step. You wanna like smile. And guys, I swear to God, a look without some blush is not a finished look. I feel like the blush just completes the whole look, and it's so cute. Like, I love it. I'm like obsessed with blush. I don't know what I would do without blush. I wish I had like natural red cheeks. Okay, this one's too much, but of course I'm going to be blending the blush. I'm not going to keep it like that. So you just want to go upwards and dabbing it. You don't want to like go like that, or else all your foundation is going to come off. For the last step, I like to it depends on like which lip color I'm trying to go for the day, but I like to just like put some lip gloss. You guys could either keep it natural like this with no color, or like I personally prefer like neutral colors, so I'm obsessed with this one. It's nothing too dark, it's very neutral, and it's the Chanel one in the shade Flirt 69. These shades are super neutral and gorgeous. I usually mix both shades together because it literally, like, the end result is super nice. So I'm gonna start off with the Flirt one first. And what I like about these lipsticks is that they're not like super dramatic, you know? They're very neutral and very moisturizing too. So yeah, I take this shade and I'm just going to apply it above the first shade that I put. So I think that's about it for my everyday makeup look. I think it's super easy to achieve. The steps are very easy, it's super quick, and all the products that I've used, I think they're super affordable. I mean, you can just find them at the drugstore, so that's very convenient. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really did enjoy filming it for you guys, and it would mean a lot if you guys like this video, subscribe down below, and turn on your post notification, if that's how you say it, like the bell, so whenever me and Safa post videos, you guys can be notified. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye.